Hello, friends. Today is Thursday, so I will tell about Narayanji, how the planets connected to Vishnuji, and how all his avatars, incarnations, are related to all planets and remedial measures, how we can do remedies. So that's a remedial part which we can do and get our results. So first, my reverence to my gurus. Om Sri Guru Be Namaha. First, I should start with Sun. Vishnuji's Ram avatar is connected with planet Sun, and so Sun is also our Atma Karak, and Vishnuji's Ram avatar is connected with Sun. We can do remedies to eradicate our misfortunes for certain things by doing remedial measures on chanting Sri Ram's mantras and all that. That's a later part I will do in a separate video. Then comes Moon. Moon is connected with Vishnuji's Sri Krishna avatar, and Mars. Mahavishnu's Narasimha avatar is connected with planet Mars, and Buddha avatar is connected with Mercury, and Vamana avatar is connected with Jupiter, Brihaspati, and Sri Parasuram avatar is connected with Venus planet, and Sri Kurma avatar is connected with Saturn, and Varaha avatar is connected with Rahu, and Matsya avatar is connected with Ketu. So these are all the planets, because Mahavishnu is the creator. He is the soul factor of the universe. Srijan karta hai. And the sun also connects to Agni, and moon to water, Jal Tattva, and Mars to Skanda, Kartikeya, and Jupiter is connected to Indra because he is the priest of Devas, and Venus is connected to Indra's wife Sachi Devi, and Saturn is connected to Brahma, Mercury is connected to Vishnu. So Sage Parasara, he has given all the details of remedies for all kinds of problems, and we can adopt those problems, eradication things regarding mantra chanting and idol worship. We can do all those things, and so that's the planets and connection with Vishnu Dev, Narayan Dev. And for Jupiter you can do Vishnu Sahasranam, and Venus you can chant Lakshmi, Mata Mahalakshmi's thing, and Saturn Mrityunjay mantra, and Rahu Durga Saptati, Mars there are some specialized mantras are there for special problems. So that's it for today. These are connected with remedial measures of planets, and since today is Thursday and Mahavishnu's day also, I will conclude this with Om Narayanaయ Namaha, Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Thank you so much. I am Meena from Divine Magic. If you have any problems, connect with me. Thank you so much.